So this is the 387 fishing version here. 387 center console fish. And at these nice doors here will block the wind when they're pulled out. Forward here, they've got a nicely shown how this opens up for good communication through and also ventilation. So if you're talking to people that are fishing up front, it's really nice. You do have this fold down seat here. Seat back that has USB and LED and cup holders. Got a table that raises up. Windlass underneath this enclosed area. Nice flush hatches. Nice flush hardware there for your cleats. And then on the port side, we step down to the guest accommodations. So nice little U-shaped area here. TV. And this could be made into a berth here. You've got dedicated toilet here with shower wanded hardware. I like the hooks so you can hang stuff up to dry. USB charging for a phone in there. Then this is your mini galley. So you got a refrigerator, sink, cold storage. You do have some cold boxes here, as well as the Livewell. So the 387 CCF center console fish. Note you got your rod holders, a little bit beefier walk around area on this, and everything you need to navigate there. Triple Garmin's. You get your Mercury controls, traditional controls, joystick controls, as well as the Skyhook, electronics and speakers up above. And then this is nice. Got these steps here, so you can step up to the on top of the hard top if you're looking for fish, and if you have the optional upper fly bridge. Nice LED lights, Garmin open array radar there. But again, it does have an option there for upper helm station, as well as you do have these outriggers here. Controlled right there. This one has the triple 400s on it. There's the Livewell instead of the garage.